Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make your old Windows 10 11's computer boot faster as new. Let's take a look. I divide this into 4 parts. Let's move to the first part first, disable startup programs. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Select the Startup tab. It displays all startup programs. You can disable them to make your Windows 10 boot faster. The second part is uninstall unneeded apps. Follow my steps and check out. First, access the control panel on your computer. Next, click on Uninstall a program link. Then remove those unneeded programs. Apps 3. Clean up your C drive. First, open this PC on your desktop. Right-click on C drive and select Properties. Click General tab. Click Disk Cleanup. Click Clean up System Files. Select the files you want to clean up on your computer and click OK. Click the Delete Files option. The last part is to upgrade your HDD to SSD. If you're currently using an HDD, it's highly recommended to upgrade to an SSD. Switching to an SSD can dramatically speed up your system, making everything from booting up to launching applications much faster. The upgrade is especially beneficial if you want to extend the life of your computer or improve its overall responsiveness.